Mr. Crazy 9 coming at y'all with a video. Gonna be a pack opening video. And this $20 right here, we just gonna open it up and turn it into, I don't know how many packs, but we're gonna turn it into a number of packs when we go buy some. We're not gonna do that stupid thing where they just cut the scene where they say all this shit. And then they're like, this $20 is going now to turn into 20 packs. Boom! And then it just like magically turns into 20 packs, whatever. But yeah. Woo! Wee! $20! $20! Right there! $20! $20! Mr. Crazy 9 coming at y'all with a new video. This will actually be my first pack opening video. So let's get started. With the Order of Chaos bag. I would have gotten the Raw Mega Yellow. I only had $20 unfortunately. Let's get started. Familiar Possessed, Diehark, Vampire Koala, Photon Leo, if you can't see that, Insector Ant, Dragonfly, that will be my second one, and a Super Wind Up Shark. That will be my second one. I'm going to put those to the side. Insector Centipede, Photon Trident, Evus or Elite, yes. That's for that pack. So instead of getting the raw yellow pack, I just got two old packs that I hope have levels in them. Let's hope for a secret, because there is some secret cards I'd love to get in this set. Primordial Soup. Sounds tasty. Aqua Armor Ninja. Interplanetary Purpley Forny Dragon. That is a lot of words in one. The Yu-Gi-Oh! Zexal Karibo, White Knight Queen, and our super, we got White Knight Queen and Insector. God, we are just pounding up these rares. Insector Axe was our rare, super rare. Sealing Ceremony of Keton, Air Armor Ninja, Galaxy Wave. Let's hope for a secret in this one. How do I feel about the reprint of Touriade? I don't really give a fuck. I never used Touriade, I never will. Shacktopus, good for, nice add-on for a water deck. Evo Branch, Insector Giga Weevil, no attack, 2600 points of defense, but knowing Insectors, it probably has some major effects. Galaxy Storm, Royal Prison, and Dark Mist Ultra. Oh hell yeah, I'm liking these. Photon Circle, Double Defender, Splash Catcher, another good card for a water deck. Force of Breaker. Let's hope we can get a card on the front. That would bring me a lot closer to getting my Volcanic started. Mega Slash Dragon. Looks like it's got a bad case of Blade Edge. Blaze Accelerator. That's going to be useful for that Volcanic deck. Mass Hypnosis. Mio Cowl, Master of Barriers. Elemental Hero, Captain Gold. I believe that's Ultra, not Ultimate. It seems Ultra. Crystal Beast, Ruby Carbuncle, Crystal Promise, Volcanic Scattershot, Crystal Rongeki, Venom Serpent, Volcanic Rat, the most useless volcanic card out there. Venom Swamp, Chrysalis, Chicky, aw, it's so cute. Oh, super rare Blazing Wing Butterfly, Blaze Wing Butterfly. That's new. Gravitic Orb, Ambush Fang, Gatekeeper Dark World Regine. I'm not sure how. Cocoon Party. And that's it, folks. Recapping on what we got. In order. Here's our biggest pulls. Row, Prison, White Knight Queen, Inzektor Dragonfly, Blazing Butterfly, Blazewing Butterfly, excuse me, Inzektor Axe, Zek Tomahawk. Kinda does look like a little strong axe. Wind Up Shark, and Little Hero, Captain Gold, Ultra, and our only exceed out of this group, Dark Mist number 69. Nathan, if you're wanting this card, I don't know. You might be mean about it. But yeah, all these cards are up for trade. PM me an offer. Next video will be coming up very soon. Watch out for a contest video coming up. And Mr. Crazy signing out. Thank you. Comment, like, rate the favorite if you want to. Do whatever the hell you want to. Don't dislike this. Don't be a troll about this, please. Thanks for all your support. Mr. Crazy.